we have a new thing on the market here, a new whiskey, right?
Double dog?
We know it double dog,
Right.
it has black and white, right? But this one is orange, and it's really nice. The citrus is there in terms of, it's more a cocktail where, it's more a spirit actually where you can make cocktails with for a Scotch whiskey.
Right.
So I'm gonna introduce you to this today.
Cool.
Right?
Looking forward.
I have a blue curacao, right? Finest squad. So it's actually what you would say is like an orange liqueur.
Okay.
But they add blue to it to make some nice blue cocktails, right?
Cool.
We have some cherry, and this is one
cherry.
What? Yeah, cherry liqueur.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna make for you is a nice kind of tiki style cocktail, right?
Good.
And now, before I came, I actually made this here, and this now is what we call an oleo saccharum, and it's translates to citrus oil. Right, so what we take is some of the orange peels, and I actually hit a little rosemary in it to give it a little variation.
Okay.
And this is what we're going to be using to pair with this orange.
Rosemary, very
Yeah,
interesting.
Orange and rosemary.
Cool.
Right?
Looking forward to that.
Freshly squeezed orange juice, some more strawberry and mandarin, some more citrus there, and we have some little nutmeg there, right? So, brother, let me start because I'll show you thirsty, right?
Yeah.
Where you live? Where you come from?
Where I come from?
Yeah, man.
I come from South, but South is the best now. How you mean?
Alright. I'm gonna just ice up my glasses.
Even though the song say Coldero from Cantaro, but I ain't really from Cantaro. I just say the rhyme in the song. Cantaro known for Parang, Coldero rhyme with Cantaro.
Right.
So that's how that came up. But I really from South.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah, everybody would have think you're from South.
Everybody what up?
What I
Well,
think you're
you
from
know, the
South.
thing about it is, to be honest with you, when I was small, my dad being a contractor,
Right.
he would build houses all over the country and he would move. So, you know, wherever he's building, he would move. So I live 10 places in Trinidad. Went to 9 different schools. So people know me from Gasparilla. They know
And
me
you
from...
spent some time abroad as well?
I lived abroad longer than I live in Trinidad.
Right.
But Trinidad is home. Regardless of how long I was.
Is a heavy drinker or a light drinker?
A heavy drinker.
You're drinking every day, that's all. You know, you say not to use Christmas time.
Just look at me drunk, yeah.
Nah. Just tell me when to stop.
That's stop.
Right? So there's the orange. I'm really excited to use this. Have a little whiff there. Tell me what you think. Right? So it's made from bitter orange, navel orange. 2 of the main oranges that they use.
Smells more like orange than
Scotch.
Than Scotch,
whiskey,
yeah.
So it's fresh, it's fruity, it's light, and it have these slight smoky hints from the peat that you will normally get from Scotch whiskey, right? So I'm gonna add some blue curacao, right? And I actually love using finest squall. Finest squall is one of the easy to pick up, easy to use bar syrups, right? You can have it in the alcoholic version and this is the non-alcoholic version.
Okay.
And this cocktail, I'll tell you, it's gonna have a little tiki style. So I'm gonna add a little cherry to it, right? I love orange and cherry, nice combination, right? And here we're actually gonna use the oleo saccharum. And I love this because it's something they used to use long ago in the original punches. You know, like you had a party long time and you would actually make a big punch.
Right.
Yeah, like a rum punch.
Like how changing colors.
Yes.
From orange to blue to green.
Exactly. So I'll squeeze some fresh orange juice for you here, right? You know, we Trini oranges don't look orange, like bright orange, right? So, but
it's actually like, yeah, it depends.
Yeah.
Some have green skin, some have the orange looking color skin.
but the flavors is amazing. So we add in some fresh orange juice to this mix. And last but not least, some mandarin bitters. Alright, so we keep it in line with the citrus. Go up with some ice here. So tell me now, you ever make cocktails?
No.
No?
No.
Never work in a bar?
Never work in a bar.
Wow, wow. I know sometimes...
Yeah, I work in a bar.
You work in a bar?
Yeah, but sing, not...
Oh, to sing. I get you, brother. That's a mixed drinks.
Not to make drinks.
All right, so I go and shake. This one we call the Trini shake. Alright, so we're shaking to mix all the ingredients. We chilling the drink as well while we're shaking, and you get some dilution from the ice. Yeah. So we're gonna strain this right over. Yeah. Put some of the ice.
I get in umbrellas and
Yeah, I think for
pineapple and all that, right?
Beach opening just now, or yourself. You posing off on the beach with this. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just go and use some fresh orange, right, as garnish. We're doing a nice simple cocktail.
You're a good hand, boy.
Yeah, I mean, knife and but tongues. Talk too soon, boy. All right, so simple. We just sticking that there, keeping in line with the orange, and then break off a little sprig of this rosemary here.
No, the rosemary here is just for garnishing.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very aromatic, right? I actually love using rosemary in cocktails, and you're gonna pick up a bit of it because I actually use it in the oleo saccharum.
Okay.
Yeah. So the oleo saccharum has infused rosemary oils, and brother, last but not least, your straw. All right. Put your little straw here. And you know what we call this one?
What are we calling this?
We call it the Blue Daydream.
Blue Daydream.
Yeah, man. Have a sip. Cheers.
Cheers. Salute.
Yeah, man. Tell me where again.
When I finish, I'll tell you. No, it actually tastes. I'm gonna take a next sip.
All right. You take a sip. Guys, why again is this orange flavor coming out of the whiskey? It's nice and fresh, light, and actually again, the orange saccharum. So again, that's citrus, but a different depth of citrus, right? So, brother, what are we doing next?
It's great. I must say, it tastes really good. And when you sometimes you have to actually say it for you to actually taste what the, like what you
Let
said.
the flavors
somebody,
come to you. Yeah, let the flavors come to you.
Hit me afterwards. Right. I guess because you being a professional at cocktails, you know what I mean? But no, I like this.
All right.
This is really good.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Nice. Cheers again, brother.